How do you make pork chops in a Ninja air fryer or any air fryer? You don't have to do any of this. I just thought it might give them a bit more flavor. Pretend this is olive oil, by the way. Next, I'm going to season the loin steaks. If I had garlic powder, I'd use it, but I don't. I'm gonna put some paprika. Some parts of the world call it paprika powder. Anyway, it's time for us to now bung it in the air fryer. I'm going to dial up 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. And then for the time, 10 minutes. 5 minutes left to go. Let's pause it there by pulling the tray out, and I'll show you how they're looking. And we'll just turn them over. And I think I might give them 6 minutes, but let's put them in. Yeah, let's dial up 6 minutes. Let's see how the pork chops look. Oh, sizzling, sizzle, sizzle. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that is almost thumbnail worthy. And if we cut into one of the steaks, we're gonna cut into all of them. But oh, look at it opening up there. I hate doing this on camera, partly because it's me eating on camera. Yeah, they're absolutely perfect. I am calling this a Dad Delivers success.